Hey ladies, wanted to quickly show you a meal that you can have a day after your first detox. You want to start off with something light and something soupy that's not going to be too heavy on your stomach. So I'm going to use this ChikN, non-chicken, vegan, gluten-free bouillon cubes. We're going to use this as our base for our seasonings. We're going to use asparagus specifically just because it's really good for your gut, and so is a little bit of these Crimini mushrooms that I'm going to put in here as well. I personally like to use pure avocado oil, so I will just spray a little bit of that in there for fat. We got a little bit of heart of palms to give a little bit more of a crunch. Liquid aminos, this is optional. This has a little bit of soy. If you're soy sensitive, do not use it, but you want to make sure everything's cooked down before you add a little bit of vegetable broth. This is just to give it more flavor. Add a little spinach, and then we're gonna add our noodles. What's so special about these miracle noodles is that they do not have anything that's gonna cause your gut to be inflamed. They're easily digestible. They do not have any gluten, any egg, any dairy, any fillers in them, and they cook really quickly. They're a little gooey in the texture wise, but they're delicious after you kind of get a taste to them after you've had them a couple times, but they are delicious and you should definitely try them. Time for that taste test, and y'all, when I say that this was so delicious, I probably should have got a fork when I first got them, but they were so good. The seasoning was on point. I'm telling you, you gotta use those non-chicken bouillon cubes. And yeah, it just was something very hearty after a detox. You don't want to be eating anything that's going to be super heavy on your stomach. You want something warm that's going to be easily digestible, and it doesn't revert all the hard work you did when you did your detox. So hope you enjoy. Make sure you share this recipe with a friend.